I denounce these proceedings. I quit this court. I quite vividly remember the feeling and emotions when I spoke those words. They were significant. Those words that split me from the certain community. The court at their eternity. I immediately did not belong. However, this belonging I was proud of. Students and teachers, today I am here to talk to you about belonging. I am Reverend Hale. Belonging is a complex, multifaceted concept that highlights our inherent need to feel connected or connected to society, surroundings with people, surroundings or simply people. It is an essential factor in any society or anyone's growth and development. Belonging spells out who we are, what we are, and how are we integrated into society. Almost everyone feels the need to fit in. This is common humanity. Belonging is a fundamental need. Personal experiences change our sense of belonging, triggering a change of our self-esteem and ideas linked to personal identity, as I have recently discovered. The personal experience that I have been through demonstrates the concept from belonging to not belonging. I come from Beverly. I was recruited by the Southern community to third delegations of eternity. I read from Paris. Immediately when I arrived, I felt a sense of belonging into the Southern community. They often referred me to the expert in witchcraft and devil worship from Beverly. The sense of belonging from the community, the sense of trust from within the community provided me with confidence to trust the words of Tituba and Abigail and other girls when they claimed that they saw the devil. But when Rebecca, Nurse, and Elizabeth crossed up as the rest of the sisters of witchcraft, I began to doubt the validity of the girls' claims of witchery, especially Abigail. That manipulated girl had the whole community and court trusting her. Mary Warren's truthful words that accused Proctor. No. Mary Warren was terrified of her. I can't believe Abigail had the ability to turn Mary Warren's truthful words into words that accused Proctor of the devil's man. I felt guilty. Guilty because I had started the whole investigation made up of lies to Abigail. By the time I began to lose power in court, I knew Abigail was telling all these lies. Eventually, I could not take Deputy Governor's downward sentencing of innocent people to death. I lost belief in the justice system and left the court. I chose not to belong to the court of Salem. I did not believe it was the truth anymore. However, in Salem, the truth is what everyone believes in, so that they can belong and conform in Salem. I've believed many times. It is a lie, they are innocent. I have told Willie Proctor, life for my life is God's most precious gift. No principle, however glorious, may justify the taking of it. I begged the Christians to sign the confession to save their own lives. Through that experience of being in the investigation, I had turned into someone who had completely lost faith in the system. Therefore, alienating myself from the trial and punishment process. This reinforces the idea of belonging and not belonging. It is shaped and established by our personal experiences. My conscience and guilt did not allow myself to stay in such an unfair thought. I no longer wished to belong within the community that was corrupt. My only aim was to save the innocent lives of those who remained accused. While on my way here, I was recommended by a few old friends to read a novel from 1981. It is a fiction novel written to warn and educate British society if they were to fall to totalitarian government. The government enforced the laws through various means such as psychological manipulation, physical control, and control of information industry. The development of the main character, Elizabeth Smith, shows that he becomes a sister. He becomes understanding of society, created by Big Brother, and his attitude to belong changes immensely. Also, Winston's relationship with Julia also demonstrated a sense of belonging. Winston pretends to conform in his society, where every home has a large video screen installed that can transmit and receive surveillance of their every move. Under the government of Big Brother, strict conformity is demanded in the court. However, Winston reports a secret diary that is kept from the party, where he keeps his own thoughts, which he longs to express his individuality in a community where individual identity is lost. Winston and Julia's relationship is significant to the concept of belonging because it is the mutual interpersonal belonging that excludes them from the society. Their rebellion gives mutual sense of satisfaction and excitement. It was a blow struck against the party. It was a political act. Orwell's intentional use of politically is significant because the exist of personal act. It is only political because the relationship is a rebellion of the party, which further pushes them away from belonging into the society. At the end, Winston's betrayal of Julia allows his true belonging into society. The gap between Winston and Big Brother seems closer. This is also a significant statement to belong, because to belong in the society requires love of Big Brother. Strange enough, on my arrival, I had a very interesting poem about the concept of belonging that depicts the concept of belonging quite well. St. Patrick's College by Peter Stinders is, to my knowledge, is the poem set in St. Peter's College in Strathfield. He reflects on some of the experiences at school. Through the speaker, key aspects of belonging are shown through his connection to place and culture. The effects of schooling and experience can cause an individual to displace and alienate from a group. Just like the speaker, through various poetic imagery, it highlights the alienation felt by the speaker. The speaker was enrolled to the school based on his mother's choice, and it clearly showed his disengagement to the school. His negative experience had no degree of inclusivity as she enrolled him into the school, with never a thought. His mother acted in the best interest for the son, as she thought what was best, that it was the best. However, it had a negative impact, and it is shown through his disconnections. The imagery presented by her face overshadowed by cloud causes face to foreshadow the speaker's future schooling experience and the suggestion of a barrier to belonging. It is further emphasized with pine needles, which he stuck into the school motto. He has a feeling of isolation and loneliness and a sense of abandonment. The effects of the schooling that he has experienced has enabled him to feel a sense of displacement through his disconnections with people in St. Patrick's College. These two texts relate to belonging by that it causes. These two texts relate to belonging shows that personal experience is decided to quit the court to express my disapproval of the court. This expression of our court pulls us away from belonging and into a sense of not belonging. This sense of not belonging is also expressed by the speaker in St. Patrick's College. He is alienated and disconnected from society.